What's up, everybody? Welcome back. All right, today we're gonna work on the Gen 1 Tacoma. You can see it behind me. Gen 1 Tacoma, like I have any other Tacomas. Anyways, got the headlamp on because there might be some light I need to shed on what we're doing here. If you know me and from other videos, I don't like a lot of fluff. I like to jump right in. I don't get wordy. What are we here for? You saw the caption, restoring bumper plastics on your black plastic bumper or whatever other black plastic you have, whether it's the rubbers, whether the door handles. Sometimes these are black plastics or black plastic on here. They get faded out. That's the whole point of this video. What I was gonna do, let me just kind of show you that. It's been a while since I made a video. This is fun. I forget, you know. Hey, I was gonna do the truck bed coating stuff on the bumper. Those of you that have the Gen 1 Tacoma or any other car that has black plastics that are just faded out and gross and white, there's several different things you can do to restore it. There's a couple different products that are a lot of fun to use. But today, we're gonna use this. So I decided to not do the truck bed coating, even though that would kind of probably be a cool idea. I decided to not go that route. Hang on a second, let me sit down. Because number one, it's a lot of work. And number two, yeah, a lot of work. I didn't want to take it all off and all that shit. And I thought for now, you know what, let me see what this kind of results this is gonna give. Let me just try it out. Because if you look at that picture, it's like super faded to black. And I'm like, come on, is it really that good? And holy shit, it's good. Okay, let's get in it. Let me check it out. So I'm gonna turn this around because I've already done half of it. So I'm gonna turn this video around and I'm gonna put I have a little light on my GoPro. Let me check that out. So look at, you can see what it did look like. You can just see it's nasty. Like this is a 2003 Tacoma. I don't think this has ever been done. This truck was repainted, as you can tell, just shitty tape job and all that, but whatever. And the plastics, like I said, I was going to totally just shoot them with the truck bed coating, but I'm like, you know what, let me try it out. But check this out, I've already done this side. Look at this. I mean, shit. Put my headlamp on too, maybe that'll shed some more light. No, that didn't do a damn thing. Oh, there it goes. That's a little too bright. But you get the picture, right? I mean, damn. What's crazy too, if you shine the light, you can see where I missed. See this area here, you gotta go back. So once you get your first coat on, let me put my headlamp back on. You can totally go back through and find the spots that you missed. Now that's a scratch, that's not gonna come off. My license plate goes right here. But you can see other areas I missed, like up on the top of this trim here. You can see, it looks like right around here needs another coat. So, and it does say 2 to 3 coats on super neglected areas, but man, what a difference, right? Look at, same lighting on this half, over to this half, completely black, looks good, and just looks awesome. So let me take this light off, so it's not just drowning out everything. Damn, look at that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and live apply right on this side. So I'm gonna set the camera up, probably down here, so you can totally see, hopefully you can see it, when I apply this section. All right, so and I'm gonna do it on the camera because people are like, oh, you probably had something else on there. No, it's this stuff, 100%. We're gonna squirt it right on here. You can see it, right? There it is, coming out of the bottle. Let's go. Look, right? Super white and faded. I mean, this is like magic, dude. And once it starts to hydrate this plastic, I kind of got a lot on there. I could probably stretch that out. And you can see, like, as you're rubbing it in, it's starting to automatically start to absorb that. And what I love is you can go back through with a light, like we did, and find out all the spots that you missed. And then once you apply a coat on there, you know, let it dry, and then you're gonna wipe the excess off of there. And then you can go ahead and you'll be done. Look at that. Look at the difference right there with just that. It's pretty good. It's probably, and before it dries, you can, like I said, you can easily spread that over there. But damn, this stuff is pretty damn legit. I'm happy, I'm satisfied. So again, I'm sweating in here, my fan's on. Whew! Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restore. I'll put the link in the description so you can go right to it and check it out. But yeah, what a difference in how to restore your plastics quickly. Now it does say it lasts for weeks. It's probably not gonna last forever, obviously, especially if you're in high heat areas where you get a lot of sun visibility there, and you're probably have to apply it, I don't know, every 6-8 weeks, who knows? But I mean, literally I could probably do this bumper in 5 minutes, you know, and then just wipe it through. And again, like I said, you can do your door trim, any kind of rubbers that you have, they're your door trims, any black plastics, maybe this, I don't know. You probably could do that, but one thing it does say is anything that you have is with a super gloss finish, don't put it on there. So you want flatter stuff. So you know how some of the door handles will have that same bumper material, that plastic? You can do that there. The top of your rear bumpers, a lot of times, I'm probably gonna do the top of this bumper, even though this thing's all bent to shit. But this thing here, and yeah, this Tacoma's pretty legit. I was gonna paint these black, but the truck was already painted and all that shit. But anyways, check that stuff out. Meguiar's Ultimate Black to restore your rubbers and plastics and things like that. Do not put it on leather. Don't put it on your tires and none of that shit. Read the instructions, but if you have super faded black bumpers and stuff like that, use them. Okay, I guess the GoPro thought I was all done. Peeped at me and said we're getting wordy. Shut it down, Mike. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna show you a picture when it's all done. Go get yourself some of this stuff if you have the same issue that I have, and I hope it works for you. Anyways, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Be kind, be respectful, and always pay it back. Pay it forward. Because you know what? We need more of that in this world. All right, see ya.